How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today we're going to be replacing the oil and oil filter on this Alfa Romeo 147 1.6 twin spark. The process is quite easy and you can definitely do it yourself at home with some basic tools. We'll start by undoing the oil cap so the oil can flow out freely. First tool you'll need is the oil filter pliers, and the second tool you'll need is the 8mm Allen key socket for your ratchet. You got two options when it comes to oil, 5W30 or 10W40. I've decided to go for the second option. Also, don't forget to grab the oil filter. Alright, let's get going. I'll start by removing the oil plug. This is also a great time to inspect the condition of oil and to check if there is any metal shavings which would indicate more serious engine damage. After you let the oil drain for approximately 10 minutes, you can put the oil plug back. When it comes to tightening torque, the specs are 18 to 22 Newton meters. Now I'm gonna move on to the oil filter. Place your catching pan underneath it and use your oil filter pliers to loosen it. Keep in mind that it doesn't really matter if you damage it, you're gonna be replacing it anyways. Now take your new filter and lubricate the seal with old or with new oil. After that, you can screw it back on and do not use your oil filter pliers. Tighten it only by hand as much as you can. Now it's time to add the new oil. Engine oil capacity is 4.4 liters, but do not add that much since there will always be some oil left in the engine. So I'm gonna start by adding 4 liters exactly. Put your oil cap back on and start your car. Let it run for 10-15 seconds. Make sure that the oil pressure light goes out. Turn it off and we're gonna measure the oil level. Alright, let's check the oil level real fast. I don't know how well can you see this, but the oil level is 2-3 millimeters below the max point, and considering that the engine has just been started, that's pretty much perfect. So there is no need to add more oil. One last thing you have to do is write yourself a service card stating the date, kilometers, type of oil and filters you've replaced. That would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.